Welcome to the Presto 5S issue management app for mobile phones for companies that are growth focused and looking to digitize their operational excellence program. Starting on the login page, here we are. Log into Presto and start as an app user. Landing page. All your issues grouped for you in RACI matrix format, allowing you to understand what you're responsible for, what you're accountable for, what you're consulted for, and who is going to be informed on each issue you take. Zooming into each issue, you got your issues listed by status, by owner, and by issue management type. From there, you can zoom in even further to see issue details, descriptions, RACI accountability matrix at the issue level, start dates, finish dates, and issue management types. Taking it even further, you have your action plans, all the steps needed to close your issue and what status they're in. Finally, our notes screen allows you to capture audio files, photos, and PDF files. Here's our issue management capture screen. As shop floor workers are seeing issues on the shop floor, they come to this screen, take a photo, put their description in, and off they send it to the management team. Finally, our news feed allows issues to be visible right on the landing page, just as you would in social network format, in real time, so anybody in the company can see pictures and notes on what's going on, where issues need to be resolved. The Zoom feature allows all issue management personnel to be able to get that granular level of visibility needed to understand exactly what the details are behind each issue. And taking that even forward one level to the team, there's your comment screen allowing you to interact, going back and forth with all RACI matrix personnel to make sure that the issues being handled in the way that it's supposed to be handled. So that's that. We're expecting a very big level of participation in the first few months, and we would like to invite any growth-focused company that's interested in digitizing their issue management program to please reach out to us. We'll be happy to offer you up to 15 free licenses for life just for helping us in the beta testing phase and getting the product into the market. So thank you very much. Visit our website or email us at info@topt.com if you would like to take this discussion further. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.